What are you doing on the bus? Huh? What are you doing? Go exploring with him.
Just here on the train there, whānau. Day in the life of Leicester. And
We've got a little bit
Tram.
to put him up. It's just a teeny bit. Just remember from when we parked, we could already see the Sky Tower.
Oh, and no one.
For the service.
I want to get a photo of the outside of the
dash down memory lane, whānau. When I used to walk, I walked everywhere. Many memorable memories around this area here, whānau, back in the day, drags and stuff, when there was no CCTV footage. Catch and kiss. Hey, Baba.
Yeah, Baba.
No CCTV, hardly any cops around. Things were a lot more mellow. Oh no, it was still hardcore, but not like today.